Now I'm working on setting the last 4 tiles on this shower floor. 2 on the left I've carved out to go around the drain hole. And then I still got to do the 2 on the right. And there you can see I'm using my Dremel with a diamond wheel and a tile bit. So now I'm ready to cut this last tile here. And if I take this one I cut here and flip it over, like that, I can use it as a template to cut this tile more faster on the tile saw. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, put this guy here. And the template. I was able to cut that in a few minutes. If I used my little Dremel, it took me a half hour. I'll have to touch up with the Dremel though.